Welcome. Let us now see the reports generated and its type after conducting a classroom. Here on the dashboard, click on the Reports tab. A summary page will be opened. There you can see the information tabs for classroom, sessions, questions and time. On the home page, there is a distribution of types of reports. Classroom specific reports, which consists of progress reports, certainty analysis, performance report, student report. Next is the student specific reports, where you get student summary, subject performance, SWOT analysis, and at last there is teacher specific report, which consists of all classroom summary. On the left hand side you get a listed menu for all the types of reports. You can see the last session date and time details here. Let us see in detail. Progress report. Here we get the insights on all the session for specific classrooms. You just need to select the classroom and subject in the filter. Here you get details of the classroom as per the given headings in the table. The details are about a recent session. Now, learner summary. Details like learner name, gender, sessions attended, correctness percentage, confidence percentage, and performance group are present here. Then, there is a performance group pie chart which shows the data of student from the performance group they lie in. This is unit-wise classroom performance data. You can change the filter options for another class and get the detailed report for it. Certainty analysis. Here you get the filter option to select classroom and subject to obtain the report. It is a graphical report based on the percentage of correctness of the answer given by the learner and the level of confidence they had while answering a particular question. Here confidence is placed on the y-axis and the correctness is placed on the x-axis. The teacher can analyze about the student's understanding of the topic. This report is generated for every class you conduct. Performance report. Using the filters, a teacher can know how their students performed during a given period. Here, teacher can select the dates or timeline for generating data for the student's performance. As you can see, a graph is generated where the details about the learner's count and the correctness percentage is displayed for different dates. This is called as performance timeline. All the details are color-coded. There are zoom in and zoom out options present here. Students report. This report shows the performance of all students for specific classroom. Apply filters and get different student data for different classes. Details related to learner's name, gender, sessions attended, correctness percentage, confidence percentage, group performance are generated. Student summary. Here you get an overview of the student's performance across the timeline. Select the name of the student and get their individual reports. As you can see, the details are obtained under these heads. Subject Performance Report. This report generates the data for student performance versus classroom performance. Select a particular student and apply filter. The data is based on student correctness, average correctness, and student confidence. SWOT analysis. Here, in this report, a student's strengths and areas of improvement are obtained. Just select the classroom, subject, and the student name and apply filter. Teacher-specific reports. This report gives an overview of teaching plans status for all classrooms. As you can see, details are obtained under these headings. You can download these reports in the form of Excel sheets by clicking on Export Excel. Click on Export Excel and download the reports separately. This is how the reports look in an Excel sheet. That's all about the reports. Thank you.